Welcome back. Section 2, Part 3 of Firearms. Identify a squib load and a semi-automatic pistol, identified by a distinct pop sound instead of a loud bang, and significantly reduced recoil. Stop firing immediately. Keep pointed downrange. Raise support hand for range instructor. Apply proper flashlight techniques when shooting a semi-automatic pistol in low light conditions. The AUB technique. This is the Watchman grip, thumb to thumb support under firearm. The Harris technique is a tactical grip, support arm under primary wrist, backs of hands braced together. Neck index. This is a tactical grip, body of light resting against side of neck or / jawline. The FBI technique is a tactical grip, flashlight held extended high and wide away from body. Demonstrate how to field strip a semi-automatic pistol. 1. Remove live ammo from the area. 2. Safety check the weapon. Remove the mag, lock slide, inspect the chamber, mag well, or barrel. 3. Follow manufacturer field strip steps. Disengage takedown lever, slide lock, separate slide from frame, remove recoil spring, guide rod, and remove barrel. Identify the proper supplies and tools to use when cleaning a semi-automatic pistol. Caliber specific bore brush, cleaning patches / swabs, nylon cleaning brush, cleaning rod, firearm solvent, non-penetrating gun oil / lubricant, and clean rags. Demonstrate how to clean, lubricate, and prepare a semi-automatic pistol. Cleaning: brush all surfaces with solvent. Run bore brush through the barrel breech to muzzle. Wipe dry with clean patches until free of residue. Clean slide rails, extractor, magazine body / follower. Lubrication: apply small drops of gun oil to slide rails and barrel friction points. Wipe away the excess. Keep magazines completely dry inside. Preparation reasonable. Perform complete function checks. Store securely. Explain the difference between cover and concealment. Cover: stops or deflects bullet penetration, protecting against incoming fire, for example, concrete walls or engine blocks. Concealment: this hides position visually from threat but does not stop bullets, so bushes, interior doors. Identify methods to consider before and while moving to cover. Before: move only to gain tactical advantage or safety. Reload behind current cover prior to moving. Scan and select next cover position. While moving, keep finger indexed on the frame. Move quickly and decisively. Stay low to prevent tripping. Utilize lateral sidestepping or crawling as dictated by your environment. Identify methods to consider when using cover to engage a threat. Do not crowd cover. Stay 2 to 4 feet back. Avoid resting body or weapon on cover. Present weapon before rolling out. After shooting positions / heights. Expose minimal body area. Demonstrate an appropriate shooting position from behind cover. Barricade kneeling / standing. Stay 2 to 4 feet behind your cover. Present weapon to high point position. Roll out, exposing only your eye, shoulder, and barrel. Keep muzzle clear of cover edge. Demonstrate how to perform a tactical reload with a semi-automatic pistol. Executed during lull in fight behind cover. Retrieve fresh mag in support hand. Drop partially full mag into palm or fingers. Insert fresh mag into well. Pocket partially full mag. Demonstrate how to disengage the holster retention devices with your support hand. Reach support hand across the body. Disengage holster snaps or hoods. Extract weapon. Secure between knees, armpit, if needed to establish proper shooting grip. Demonstrate how to reload using one hand only. Index finger, release empty mag, holster pistol or trap between knees / behind the knee. Retrieve fresh mag with working hand. Insert into well. Rack slide against belt, holster, or boot edge. Demonstrate how to scan surroundings for possible threats. Continuously move head and eyes 360 degrees. Evaluate environment for secondary threats. Cover options, bystanders, and hazardous lines of sight. Identify the physiological changes associated with survival stress. Tunnel vision, auditory exclusion / amplification, increased heart rate, loss of fine motor skills, in other words, relying on gross motor skills, loss of complex motor skills, cognitive processing delays, and potential freezing. Identify the possible sources of survival stress during active threat / shooter incident. Injured / dying people, screaming victims, sounds of gunfire / explosions, smell of smoke or blood, flashing lights, loud alarms, chaos, and risk of personal death. Demonstrate how to tactically respond to an active threat / shooter incident. Apply immediate response principles, violence of action, direct to threat clearing, bypass non-threat areas, noise discipline, positive target identification upon neutralizing threat, 360-degree security check, self-check for wounds, communicate with backup, render aid. Insert the ammunition into the revolver's cylinder using a speed loader. Hold revolver open with support hand. Align speed loader studs / cartridges with cylinder. Chambers insert fully. Release loading mechanisms, knob / latch to drop rounds into cylinder. Discard speed loader. Close cylinder securely.